Hello, Sagittarius, Sun, Moon Rising, and Venus Signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Sag po na mensahe po ninyo for today. We have the energy of the ink pot, problems to be resolved. Ayan, so this could be in any area of life, no, Sagittarius, na problema. Pero rest assured, no, that masusolusyonan ninyo yan, no, kasi let's always remember na wala namang problema na binibigay sa atin ng universe na hindi natin kayang solusyonan. Kaya yan, dumating, no, or dadating sa buhay natin, it's because we can handle it. What else? We have grasshopper situations in the balance that require careful handling. This could be this one, no? Kasi maaring hindi kayo sanay sa ganitong sitwasyon, kaya maaring yan ay poproblemahin ninyo. No? So this could be in any area of life that could be a sensitive issue, no? Kaya kailangan ng careful handling. We have handshake. A meeting with a stranger could be important. Ayan, may bago kayo makikilala. At maaring yung taong yan, ano, eventually baka siya yung makakatulong sa'yo, no, sa problemang ito, no? Maaring ganun. Or sa pagmamanage ninyo ng sitwasyon na ito. We have the energy of the carrot, opportunity or windfall. Napakaganda. This is an opportunity, financial opportunities, what I'm picking up here, or windfall of money, no? So, kung pera man ang problema ninyo dito, this is the breakthrough, no, na parating sa inyo. So, masusolusyonan ninyo agad-agad ang problema na yan. Kasi, meron dadating na pera, merong swerteng padating, no, pagdating sa inyong finances. We have the energy of the hand in need of help, assistance, and guidance. Okay? So, maaari talaga na kailangan ninyo ng tulong sa ngayon, no? And who knows, no? Yung taong ito, yung stranger na to na bago ninyo makikilala could be the one na makakatulong sa inyo. What else? We have table, hard work ahead. Yan, kailangan ninyo na mag-extrang sipag, no? Sa kung ano man ang ginagawa ninyo or ano man yung pinagkakaabalahan ninyo. So, you really need to focus on that. Pagtrabahuan ninyo, mag-persevere kayo, pasasaan ba at mapagtatagumpayan nyo din yan. We have the energy of the wind chimes, peace and harmony, no? Mapapasa inyo ang peace and harmony. So, this is ibig sabihin nito, Sagittarius, na kung ano man ang problemang ito, maaayos nyo agad-agad yan, ano, pati ito, masusolusyonan ninyo yan. Kaya magkakaroon na din kayo ng peace and harmony within yourself. So, this is really a beautiful guarantee, diba? What else? We have hat. You will be playing a different role. Ayan. So, siguro sa trabaho, ito, baka merong lateral movement sa inyo sa trabaho, mabibigyan kayo ng bagong role, pero hindi naman mababago yung sweldo siguro or posisyon sa trabaho. Maaring magbabago lang yung job ninyo, duties, no, and responsibilities, baka madadagdagan. Pero for others of you, this could be promotion, no? So this is really beautiful then. Kasi baka malagay na kayo sa mas mataas na antas, no? Mas mataas na posisyon sa inyong trabaho. You have the energy of the grapes, time to go out and have fun. Okay? Pasyal-pasyal din. Mag-unwind din, no? Socialize with your friends, socialize with anyone dito, no? Baka meron ding invitation dito sa inyo sa mga party, no? Yung ganon, yun ang napipick up ko dyan. So, give yourself an opportunity to enjoy naman, no? Kailangan nyo din ng balanse sa sarili ninyo, sa buhay ninyo. Hindi puro trabaho, no? So, give yourself time to have fun as well. Kailangan din ninyo yan. We have the energy of the barrel. You feel something is lacking in your life. Perhaps love, money, or goals. Ayan. So, this is a negative energy, Sagittarius. This is low vibe, no? energy si feeling lack, no? Kasi the more na mag-aano kayo, the more na mag-iisip kayo na kulang ka ng ganito or wala ka ng ganito, mas lalong dadami pa yan, mas lalong magmamagnify pa yan, no? You will be attracting more of something na mararamdaman ninyong kulang kayo, no? Mas dadami pa yung mararamdaman ninyo na wala kayo nun, no? Na hinaghahanap kayo because you don't have it. Kaya as much as possible, transmute this feeling lack ninyo into something positive, no? Positive mindset lang tayo lagi. As much as possible, let's try our best, no? Na lagi lang tayong nasa positibo. Kasi like attracts like, 'di ba? That's law of attraction, no? And law of attraction is always at play. Kaya mahalaga na mag-project lang tayo ng positivity. Lagi lang tayong dapat nasa positive mindset. Nang sa gayon, no? Ang ma-attract natin is positive things, positive experiences, no? Positive situations. What else? We have bread. Wow, period of prosperity and abundance. Napakaganda kasi prosperity and abundance ito. Tapos meron kayong windfall of money. So, as much as possible, no, Sagittarius, if this barrel energy resonates with you, try to transmute that into prosperous and abundant mindset. Kasi baka mas masabotage mo, no, yung energy ni bread at ni energy ni carrot, no? Kaya kasi 'di ba pag may negativity tayo, that can sabotage you, 'di ba? Magiging barrier 'yan, no, between you and these financial successes and financial blessings. Kaya as much as possible, tanggalin na ninyo 'yan. We have older man, dealings or relationship with an older man. Ayan, this could be anyone. No? This could be asawa ninyo. This could be boyfriend ninyo. This could be lolo ninyo. Maybe this is your dad. So, depende sa inyong sitwasyon. But, an older man is going to play a significant role sa buhay ninyo at this time. Baka meron kayong mamanahin dito sa older man, no, na pera. Older woman, ayan, so you're also dealing with an older woman, baka mag-asawa ito, si older woman and older man, no? Baka mga alaga ninyo ito, kung kayo ay isang caregiver or nurse or nanny, baka alaga ninyo ito, yun na na-pick up ko agad-agad. Probably then, and this is your grandma or your grandpa. This could be your parents, no? At maaari, since katabi niya si period of prosperity and abundance, baka sa kanila manggagaling, no? Ang kaperahan na yan, na maghahatid sa inyo ng prosperity and abundance. We have the energy of the fun. There is romance, celebration, and party. Baka celebration ito ninyo, no? Ng inyong partner, ng inyong person, no? Baka meron kayong milestone na isi-celebrate dito bilang magjowa kayo, no? Or baka meron kayong attendant party or celebrations ng kung sino man na may imbitahan kayo. We have the energy of the bouquet, compliments from an admirer. Ayan, so meron ditong mga compliments kayong kukuha, marireceive from your tagahanga, no? So, Saj, that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.